Well, we've gotten a lot of questions about why the sky looks so hazy tonight. So where's Mount Rainier? We'll play a game. This is a time lapse of the Seattle waterfront where Mount Rainier basically is visible on a, typically on a sunny day. Our air quality, though, dropped today. For most of us in Western Washington, it was moderate, but in parts of Pierce County, it actually became unhealthy for sensitive groups. So let's get to meteorologist Craig Herrera and talk about the why behind this.
Oh gosh, it was just tough to see. You just look out, you really couldn't make out the mountains anywhere, really. The Cascades, the Olympics. Joyce and Greg, let's take a look. So we had high pressure. That's kept us, one of the reasons we've been so warm. That pushes the air down, clears the skies out, gives us the warmer conditions. Well, that was over us, and that has been over us. That actually acts as a cap as well. We've got an inversion, if you will, in place, kind of. So that's going to trap the pollution down at the ground. And by pollution, I mean the particulate air matter, the small, fine particles that are trapped thanks to pollution from car exhaust, things like that. Factories, if we have them, but we don't have them, that would trap that all down at the ground as well. There's no mixing of the atmosphere. There's no real wind to come through to push things out. There is now, but earlier today there wasn't. The wind that's coming through right now is going to help to cool us off after we set some all-time record highs. SeaTac and Olympia beating the all-time record highs set yesterday. Incredible. 2 days of all-time record-breaking highs in a row. Bellingham beat an old record set back in 2009. The National Weather Service office set run back in 2009. And Quileute hit 110 today, breaking an all-time record set back in 1981. Those are just a few spots. Now, with the marine layer back in place, the cooler conditions also in place, the excessive heat warning has expired along the Olympic Peninsula and coast, but it's still in place for the east side, for the half of Western Washington, really, through 11 o'clock tomorrow. East side of the state, that is in place until Sunday. Still very, very hot on the east side of the state. Current temperatures right now in the 60s along the coast. 70s now, Bremerton, 68 Tacoma, a whole lot better than 24 hours ago. Seattle's dropped to 82 rather. Look at the change along the Olympic Peninsula. 10, 15, almost 20 degrees cooler than it was this time yesterday as the sea breeze continues to blow on through. Sustained winds, Shelton, west-southwest 20 miles per hour, and at times gusts up to 32 miles per hour. That's helping to change the wind direction. Let's pause a moment with Craig and take a look at Fiona Jane today trying to cool off. And Grace sent that photo in, said, doggies, cats, they're all trying to do what they can to stay cool. Tomorrow, away from the coast, we'll be in the 80s and 90s, and thankfully we'll start the morning tomorrow with 60s. No more of the 70s for overnight lows. That'll be great. Highs tomorrow, look at the 70s, 80s, and 90s on the map. Triple digits? Nope, not on the map. North Bend close at 97. All other spots in the 90s. So I think we're done with we are done with the record-breaking heat, the all-time record-breaking heat, that is. 7-day forecast, we'll see those upper 80s and lower 90s tomorrow. Mid-80s Wednesday, right through the weekend and into the 4th of July weekend. Boy, that marine layer is making a huge difference tonight. Enjoy tomorrow.
All right.